Let's have a look at this one. The number of groups of 3 or more distinct numbers that can be chosen from the numbers 1 all the way up to 8. So you have been given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 8 numbers, and you have to choose a group of 3 or more distinct numbers. Remember this thing. So that the group always contains 3 and 5. So my group will definitely contain a 3 and a 5, while 7 and 8 are never included together. Remember this thing, 7 and 8 are not included together. 7 can be there, then 8 should not be there. If 8 is there, then 7 should not be there. And both of them can also be missing from our selection. That is also possible. But they're not talking about a specific number of numbers to be selected, but they're saying 3 or more number of selections. So if I'm looking at 3 number of selections, then 2 number of selections are already done, which is 3 or 4. Out of the rest of the numbers, which are how many numbers? 6 numbers. You can select any one number, and that will give you a group of 3 numbers, correct? Because 3 and 4 are already there. So 2 numbers have already been selected. So you have got 6 as the number of selections possible. Now look at the number of selections for 4. 2 are already done with us, right? Now you're wanting to select 2 more. These 2 can be selected out of 1, 2, 5 and 6. That's a possibility. So let me select those 2 numbers out of these 4 numbers, 4C2. Or what can I do? I can take either a 7 already there. So 3, 4 and 7 is already there, right? Then 8 cannot be there. Then out of this 1, 2, 5, 6, I need only one more number. So 1, 2, 5, 6, I need only one number because I've taken 7 also, right? Now drop 7 and take 8. Again, 1, 2, 5, 6, you can select one number. So that is 4C1. Clear? So 4C2 turns out to be what? 6 plus of 4 plus of 4, which is going to give me what? 14 selections possible of 4 numbers. If I take 5 numbers, out of these 5 numbers, 2 are already there with us, 3 and 4, right? Now, what can I do? Out of these 4 numbers available with me, I can select any 3 numbers, right? So that can be 4C3. Or what can I do? I can select 3, 4 and a 7, suppose. So I'm selecting 3, 4 and 7 already there. Then out of 1, 2, 5 and 6, I need only 2 numbers, which is 4C2. Or what can I do? I can take 3, 4 and 8, and then out of 1, 2, 5, 6, I can select any 2 numbers, right? So this will then turn out to be 4C3 is 4, 4C2 is 6 plus of 6. So that turns out to be equals to 16 numbers over here, 16 ways of doing this selection. If I have to select 6 numbers, 2 numbers are already there, 3 and 4. I can select all of these 4 numbers. So that is 4C4. Or I can have 3, 4 and a 7. In that case, out of 1, 2, 5 and 6, I would need 3 numbers. Or I can have 3, 4 and 8. Then out of 1, 2, 5, 6, I can take any 3 numbers again. So 4C3. 4C4 is 1, 4C3 is 4 and another 4 over here, which makes it 9. Or I can take 7 numbers. If I have to take 7 numbers out of these 8 numbers, and I don't want 7 and 8 together, there's only one way if I'm taking 7 into account and rejecting 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is my selection. Or I can take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 8. That is another selection possible. So 2 numbers over here. So what are we looking at? 14 plus 16, which is going to be 30, and then 39, and 6 is 45 and 2 is 47. So there are total number of 47 ways to do this.